The Impact Africa Network College of Bishops are ambassadors of human rights that advocate respect for rights of congregants. We promote fundamental human rights of citizens in every society as an instrument of salvation and liberty. Our purpose is to extinguish recycling of mediocres, falsehoods in ministry, and equip gospel ministers to be valuable Christian leaders, not only on pulpit, but also the useful stakeholders in the various communities and society at large, by empowering their mind to expand and think out of the box. We acknowledge that everyone is created for a purpose and given a definite assignment with diversities of gifts different from one another, but the same Spirit of God. We therefore empower ministers through ordination, licensing, certification, international exposure through our various international programs that develop self-dependence, remove inferiority complex, ignorance, and promote tolerance in ministry. Visit us today at www.impactafricanetwork.org.
Wawukhona emphakathini ungabikho